Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Before we get into this video, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. Now, come on, let's get into this video. This is the last video for Shower Steamer series. Okay? This is it. And we're working with lavender fills. Come on now. Hello, hello, hello. How is everyone doing out there today? Good? How's my YouTube family? I hope you're doing great. I am doing fine, thank you. Drink a little water, kind of thirsty. All right, so this is it. Shower Steamers series is going to be complete as of today. We are working on lavender fills shower steamers. Okay? And this is what they look like. So we have Lavender Essential Oil and Lemongrass Essential Oil. Okay? And it smells so good. I decided to use these green bags with the little dots, polka dots on it. And we have our labels, and let's get to it. Let's get to it. Oh, today is Wednesday, right? Wednesday, over the hump day. As you can see, I already have my string on this. And this is embroidery thread. If you was wondering what this is, remember I told you you can use all kind of twine, string, thread, whatever. But this is embroidery thread, okay? String or whatever you want to call it. And all I'm doing is holding my finger on it and tying it in the knot. Same procedure, nothing different. Trying to get it in the bow in the front so I can tie that bow in a knot. Just to make sure that, it's secure. I take all this excess bag off. You don't need it. And here we go. All right, let's do that again. You take your shower steamer, place it in your bag, every bag you're using. Just place it in there. All right. Like my bags are bigger, so I gather it up so it fits the shower steamer. I take my label. Get these strings together. It doesn't matter. They all are separating, which is fine. It doesn't matter. I'm just trying to get it on there. Gather up some string, tie it in a knot. All right, bring it to the front. I'm going to tie it again. All right. Let's see if I can get this part in the bow because it's kind of short here. If not, I'm just going to cut all that excess off. That's all. Not going to worry about it. Take your time. There's no rush. There you go. All right. All that excess, be done with it. And there you go. That label's over to the side. See? There you go. Do that one more time. And then we'll put some music on. Now I have to make some more labels. I have to print out some more labels. I don't have enough. Front label, that is. I don't have enough front labels. I have enough backs. And we'll go over the ingredients as soon as I finish with this one, okay? We'll go over the ingredients once more. So I won't even tie this one in the bow. I'll just double tie and then cut the string. And then take some of that excess off, and there you go. All right, so it says Lavender Fills Shower Steamer handmade natural aromatherapy, lavender and lemongrass essential oil, 3.5 ounces. And in the back it says ingredients: baking soda, citric acid, witch hazel or water, essential oil or fragrant oil. Caution, shower use only. You cannot use these in the tub. Too much essential or fragrant oils in these. You cannot use them in the tub. They for shower use only. All right. Let's get some music going so we can dance a little or just listen to some music. I'll be quiet now. But before I be quiet, let me just say, give you the quote of today. Be yourself and be that you. Let me say that again. Be yourself and be that you. Don't be anyone else. Be yourself and be that you. I like that. Remember, the quote of today is find yourself and be that you. Let me say that again. The quote of today is find yourself and be that you. Love you guys. We're done. We have completed Shower Steamer series. I can't believe it. Go check out all the different scents and fragrance that I have at my Etsy shop, Glennceria Loving Hand. Just take the S off of hands. Have a wonderful day. Love you always. Glennceria Loving Hands. Love you, babes. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye.